In this guide, you'll learn how to blur a part of a video using CapCut. First, launch your CapCut app, import the video that you want to edit. Now tap on the effects option at the bottom, then go to video effects on the left and select the blur effect under the lens section. Tap it once to add it to your video. Then tap it again to adjust the strength of the blur, which you can set anywhere from weak to strong. Next, drag the effect over your video to cover the portion you want blurred. After that, add the same video as an overlay by tapping the overlay option and selecting the video from your gallery. Make sure the overlay covers the entire frame. Then select the overlay in the timeline and scroll to the Find Marks tool. Choose a mark shape, circle for faces or rectangle for objects, and then tap invert to apply the blur only to the selected area. Adjust the size and position of the blur using the arrows, and if a video or object is moving, create movement for the blur using keyframes. Start at the beginning of your video, tap the keyframe option, move your video slightly and adjust the blur position and repeat this process throughout the video until it follows the moving object. Once all keyframes are added, your video will have the blur applied perfectly. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.